Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing in so your progress saves and streaks count. Once signed in, open the Bing puzzle mode and pick the puzzle type that matches your strengths. Make sure cookies and sound are enabled to receive hint prompts and timer feedback. Start the first round immediately. Answer quickly but deliberately. If you see an image puzzle, scan edges first for distinct colors. If it is trivia, eliminate 2 unlikely answers mentally, then commit to the most supported choice. You now move into the middle work where strategy matters. For multiple choice, remove obviously wrong answers and compare remaining options. Once done, pick the one with the most evidence. For image or tile puzzles, zoom in and pan, match edges, patterns, and recurring colors to lock in placements. Time yourself and split the remaining time if needed, spending about 1/2 on tough clues. When stuck, re-evaluate earlier choices. A wrong placement can cascade, so adjust methodically. You close the puzzle by reviewing every answer and visual alignment. One last scan catches careless mistakes. Once done, submit only when confident because some puzzles penalize changes. If you used hints, make sure they were applied to the most uncertain items. Troubleshooting. If the puzzle freezes or behaves oddly, clear your browser cache, reload the page, and try again within 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes sign out and sign in restores syncing. If problems persist, switch browsers or device to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.